Good morning, students. I am Sweetly, Assistant Professor of Civil Engineering Department, working in Emmanuel Harrison JJ College of Engineering. Today, we are going to study about the effluent treatment. What is meant by effluent? Effluent is an outflowing of water or gas from a natural body of water or from a human-made structures. It is defined as a treated or untreated wastewater. Comes out from a treatment plant or sewer or industrial outfall. Okay, what is meant by effluent? It is a treated or untreated wastewater coming out from the treatment plant, sewer or industrial outfall. The Oxford English Dictionary defined that effluent is a liquid waste or sewage discharged into a river or a sea. Okay, it is the meaning given in a dictionary. If the wastewater from a treatment plant or any other industrial outfall or sewer may have the following nature. The nature of wastewater includes physical, chemical and biological characteristics which depend on the water usage in the community, industrial and commercial contributions, weather and infiltration. It is 99.94% water by weight. The remaining 0.06% is material dissolved or suspended in water. Okay, the wastewater percentage is 99.94% and the remaining 0.06% is the material dissolved or suspended in the water. Okay. The nature includes physical, chemical and biological characteristics. The dissolved and suspended solids in the wastewater contain organic and inorganic material. What is meant by organic matter and what is meant by inorganic matter? Organic matter means the vegetable waste. Okay, like that the kitchen waste comes under the organic wastes. Organic matters may include carbohydrate, fats, oils, grease, surfactants, proteins, pesticides and agricultural chemicals, volatile organic compounds and other toxic chemicals. Okay, organic matter may include mostly the kitchen waste. Okay, kitchen waste, then pesticides and chemical waste. That inorganic matter may cover heavy metals. Okay, metals, nitrogen, phosphorus, like that, ferrous or some other metals. Then the pH, alkalinity, chloride content, sulfur content and other inorganic pollutants comes under this inorganic matter. Okay. Then gases such as carbon dioxide, nitrogen, oxygen, hydrogen sulfide and methane may be present in wastewater. The common gas present in wastewater is methane and carbon dioxide. Okay. Other gases like nitrogen, oxygen and hydrogen sulfide is also present in some cases. Okay. Somewhat oxygen and hydrogen sulfide is present naturally in wastewater, but for large amount in some cases. Wastewaters are normally treated by combination of physical, chemical and biological operation. Okay, because the wastewater contain both physical properties, chemical properties as well as biological properties. Therefore, if you want to treat the wastewater, then we have to do the following treatments: physical, chemical and biological operation. However, it is possible to treat the wastewater by means of physical, chemical methods. Wastewater treatment is done by the following series of steps. Each steps can be done by using one or more treatment process or one or more equipments. The major categories of treatment steps are preliminary treatment, secondary treatment, primary treatment. Okay, preliminary, after that primary, after that secondary. Three steps are categories are done for treatment. First one, what is meant by preliminary treatment? Preliminary treatment means it is the initial treatment. The major purpose of a preliminary treatment is to protect the treatment plant or the plant equipment by removing the materials that may cause clogs, jams or excessive wear to the plant machinery. Okay. The major purpose is to protect the treatment plant by removing clogs, jams, excessive wear to plant industry. In addition, removal of various materials at the beginning of a treatment process saves valuable space within the treatment plant. Preliminary treatment may include many different processes. Each is designed to remove a specific type of material, a potential problem for the treatment process. Process include wastewater collection. In the wastewater collection, it comes under influent pumping, screening, shredding, grit removal, FBW measurement, pre-aeration, chemical addition and flow equalization. In the preliminary treatment, the major processes are pumping, screening, shredding, grit removal, then flow measurement, pre-aeration, chemical addition and flow equalization. Then second one is primary treatment. The purpose of primary treatment is to reduce or to remove the settleable organic and floatable solids present in the wastewater. Okay. The major purpose of a primary treatment is to remove settleable organic and floatable solids. Normally, every primary clarification unit can be expected to remove 90 to 95% of settleable solids, 40 to 60% TSS and 25 to 35% BOD. What is meant by BOD? We already studied. BOD means biological oxygen demand. Primary treatment reduces the velocity of wastewater through a clarifier to approximately 1 to 2 feet per minute so that settling and flotation can take place. Primary settling tank remove floated grease and scum, remove the sludge, solids, flowing materials. Then next one is secondary treatment. Secondary treatment treat the both dissolved, suspended and colloidal organic waste to more stable solids that can either be removed by settling or discharged to the environment without causing harm. There are three commonly used approaches. Three commonly used approaches are trickling filter, activated pond, activated sludge process, then oxidation pond. Okay, these are the three commonly used secondary treatment methods to treat the biological waste present in the wastewater. Okay, BOD process, then oxidation pond, and trickling filter are the most commonly used secondary treatment methods. Fourth one, disinfection. Disinfection means it removes the microorganism to eliminate or reduce the possibility of disease when flow is discharged. Like drinking water, wastewater of effluent is disinfected. Unlike drinking water, wastewater effluent is disinfected not to direct end of pipe to pipe connection, protects the drinking. Okay, I hope you understand about the preliminary, primary and secondary treatment. Okay, thank you students. I hope all of you understand what is meant by effluent. Then what are the treatment procedures comes under the effluent? What are they? Primary, secondary and first one is preliminary, primary, secondary. Then we also study about the disinfection. Disinfection. The activated sludge process is done by the help of aeration tank. Okay, for one word it is also important. Study all those things. Thank you.